So hey guys, welcome back to my another video, and today I'm going to tell you what are the differences between the SoC and processor. But before starting this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any sort of update by me or by my channel. So yes, let's start out to this video. So guys, whenever we talk about the processing unit of any device, we simply call it processor. Somehow we are not totally wrong, because the use of processor or processing unit is to transfer the data from one part of the computer system to another computer, or we can simply say part of computer system. But if you have to pronounce it 100% accurately, then it differs from device to device, or we can simply say types of devices. So first let's talk about the PCs and laptops. So yeah, you will get to see their processor. Obviously we are right, obviously. But if we have to pronounce for the laptop, we can simply say smartphones and other gadgets like smartwatches, tablets, then obviously we are not right. We have to pronounce it SoC. Why SoC? Well, let's talk about the architecture of SoC. SoC contains CPU, GPU, NPU, modems, and in today's world obviously you will get to see DRAM obviously. But if you have to pronounce for processor, then first of all, processor is actually used inside the PCs and laptops, except the MacBook M1 2020, and I will tell why except MacBook 2020 M1. So if we have to pronounce for the processor, then first of all let's talk about the architecture. Then it does not contain all other components like CPU, GPU, and NPU, which you will get inside the CPU. And second thing, it is itself a CPU, which means that we are trained, we are evolved by the trend which is followed by the people obviously. And third thing, inside the PCs and laptops you will get many of the components, main components like CPU, GPU, NPU, and all other modems like structure. But we call it processor, or we can simply say we identify those PCs and laptops by their main component, which is processor or CPU, because CPU actually plays a vital role for transferring data inside the computer system. So we can simply say that SoC is an integrated form of all other bunches of devices which is present inside the PCs and laptops. So now you might have questioned that we call CPU that big box like structure which comes with monitors. So actually that is not a CPU obviously, but we call it as CPU because CPU actually plays a vital role. Obviously I told it before, but also I want to tell, CPU actually plays a vital role inside that big box. That's why we identify that device, or we can simply say big box like structure, as CPU. So why we call SoC as processor? Well, if you might have noticed, then as I told earlier before in this video, that CPU, or we can simply say SoC, contains many of the bunches of stuffs like CPU, GPU, NPU, and including those stuffs, CPU plays a vital role for transferring data from one part of the mobile, or we can simply say electronic device, to another electronic device. And if you might have also noticed that we human beings identify any of the device with its main component. So because of that reason, we simply call SoC as processor, because the processor or CPU plays a vital role inside the SoC. So now where you will get to see SoC? Well, SoC contains everywhere. The device on which actually I am right now recording the video, it consists of SoC, that is obviously a smartphone, tablets, smartwatches, everywhere you will get to see SoCs, like, or we can simply say yes, SoC, except PCs and laptops. Now let's talk about the MacBook. Why actually I didn't include that inside the sector of PCs and laptops? Well, as I have told earlier before, that actually laptops and PCs contains processor, but inside the MacBook, and if you are knowing about the MacBook of 2020 tech event, then you must be known about that MacBook is actually using M1 chip. And if you are known about the architecture of M1 chip, then M1 chip is actually not a processor, it is a SoC. So as I have told earlier, the difference between the SoC and processor, so yes, you can tell that MacBook of 2020 is a revolutionary change in the whole history of laptops and PCs. And yes, you can obviously tell that MacBook is actually a smartphone in the form of laptop. And this was the reason why I didn't include the MacBook inside the sector of laptops and PCs, because MacBook actually contains SoC instead of processor. So guys, that is for today. I hope you understand something from this video. If you liked my video, then please make sure to hit the like button, and also do subscribe my channel. Share this video with friends and family if you think that this video will be helpful for them as well. And guys, any kind of good or bad review, or any sort of updates, or any kind of complaint that you want to give to me, then please let me know in the comment section by commenting. And yes guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.